Maseneta wi kaunti ya Nyamira Sen Omogeni nigemambia lero haikirana se bunge ye kaunti eyo asaliganibwa n'omuspika wi kaunti eyo Thaddeus Nyabaro asegikarekyo nigasabira abaMCA gwikirana emirimo yabo anene mono asokweneki chibesa chi kaunti ya Nyamira ngotumeka kire asenkirerengia gwikira boniga nige kaunti ya Nyamira yanyorire shilingi bilioni 54 asatebire amagendera akorirwe taraisana.
Members, also take this opportunity to welcome the visiting dignitary, that's our Senator, one and only Honorable Eric Omogeni. Thank you, Honorable Senator. Thank you for finding time to address the Nyamira County Assembly and to visit the Nyamira County Assembly. This is where you belong and this is home. Welcome and feel at home.
To highlight some of the critical issues that come before the attention of Senate, that the members of County Assembly of Nyamira and the senators should work closely in oversight. Mr. Speaker, sir, if you look at Nyamira's budgetary allocation for the year 2024-2025, Nyamira Water Resources Authority in the budget was allocated 32 million shillings, which I presume, because we are the honorable members of the Assembly who passed the budget, which I presume was specifically for water connectivity to help our thirsty residents. But instead, Mr. Speaker, of pipes, pumping water to our homes, or putting water kiosks, this water was swallowed by training seminars and feasibility study. What a tragedy. This information, Mr. Speaker, came to my attention when I attended a committee of CIPIC. If you permit me, Mr. Speaker, I'll read the brief to the chairman of CIPIC from the auditors, just to show some of the issues they highlighted. Out of the 32 million shillings that this Honorable Assembly appropriated to the Nyamira Water and Sanitation Company, 244,000 was withdrawn for facilitation of feasibility study. Another 279 on different dates to facilitate training on hygiene. Another 272 million to facilitate feasibility study. I'm calling upon the honorable members not to relent on their oversight, Mr. Speaker. I implore you to hold those responsible for these suspensions until the donor funds return to Nyamira. Nobody, Mr. Speaker, and I repeat, nobody should be allowed to soil the good name of Nyamira. We need the service, Mr. Speaker, and we need donor support.